Afternoon everybody. Today's task is to remove the choke cable because it doesn't work. So first thing we do, that comes off for access, that comes off, and hopefully we can get that out. Disconnect your battery first. There are two sliding clips at the back of this, which I've already undone from underneath, but you can see how they work. They go that way, and that way, behind the dash. I've already had this off. That's why it looks easy. Put nuts back on so you don't lose them. And then you get span it in there. And I've already done it. Blue Peter style. What comes off the back of it? Pull this out, disconnect that, the other end of the choke cable from the carburetor, and pull it out through your firewall bulkhead, and it should come out. But unfortunately, mine has a ferrule on the back of it that the nut will not clear. So I'll show you on a close-up video in a minute. But I'm going to have to chop it off and buy a new one because I can't for the life of me see how it comes off. I've been all over the internet, no one has a clue. Up until now, but some smart arse come up and show me how to take it off when I've done it. Excuse my French. Sorry. I tried. Now the bug is coming off. Hey! See for the mess with the cuz. One X clutch cable. See, choke cable. For future reference, this is the nut on the choke cable behind the dash, and you can't get at it normally. So I've made out of an old plug spanner a nut that fits on it. Sorry, a spanner that fits on it. See, isn't that simple? Isn't that a thing of joy? Huh? I don't know, that's 19mm-ish. Here's a 19mm spanner. Yeah. Okay. And you're not going to get one of them through that hole so tightly. Okay. And as if by magic, sometime later, we've got our spanner painted up, ready to go. Okay, and I'll see you next time in part 4. Okay, look after yourselves.